Hello everyone and welcome back to Gigi's Kitchen. Today we'll be making shrimp tacos. Let's get started. For ingredients, we have about 1.5 pounds of shrimp. If you're using larger ones, you can use less. We also have some guacamole. I have some shredded cheese. Here we're using a Mexican blend. And I have 2 chopped green onions. I have also 1 small onion, a red one. I have 1 large lime and about 2 cups of cabbage, shredded cabbage. And for seasoning, we have salt and pepper to taste. We have 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1.5 teaspoon of paprika. I have 2 garlic cloves that I chopped finely. And today I am using wheat tortillas, a larger size, but you can use smaller ones if you'd like. So for today's tacos, I'm using thawed roast shrimp that has been peeled and deveined. Now we're going to add all the seasoning. If you want an extra kick, you can add some Cajun seasoning to the mix. Lastly, we'll add in the chopped garlic and give it a good mix. Next, we added some olive oil to the pan and let it heat up. We'll add the shrimp and spread it evenly, and we're going to let it cook for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to flip the shrimp over and continue cooking it for another 2 minutes. For the sauce, we are using some simple ingredients. Here we have a 1/3 cup of sour cream, 1/3 cup of light mayo, 1 teaspoon of Sriracha, 3/4 teaspoons of garlic powder, and lastly the juice from 1 lime. Now we're gonna add all the ingredients and give them a good whisk. After whisking everything together for a couple minutes, this is the consistency we get. Next, we're going to heat up our tortillas on the griddle. We don't want them to get crispy, we're just looking to get them warm. Since we're using an electric griddle, we'll use our blowtorch to give the edges a really nice charring. Now we're ready to assemble our tacos, and as you can see, the edges have a really nice char. We're going to start off with some guacamole that we're going to spread evenly on the center. Followed by a generous handful of the shredded cabbage, then some red onions for a nice zest. Next, we'll add the shrimp. Here we're being fairly generous since we have larger tortillas and we're using medium-sized shrimp. We'll sprinkle in some cheese, followed by green onions. Lastly, we will top it all off with our spicy tangy sauce. Our tacos are now ready. Just squeeze in some fresh lime before serving. If you liked today's video, please like and subscribe for more. Enjoy!